Angelina Jolie's emotional declaration detailing the difficult and traumatic separation and demanding $33,000 in legal fees. The context: an 8-year legal saga. The celebrity divorce of Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt, often referred to as Brangelina, has been one of the longest and most contentious in Hollywood history. While the pair were declared legally single in 2019 and a formal divorce settlement regarding marital and property rights was finally reached in December 2024, the legal disputes between them continue, particularly concerning their jointly owned French winery, Château Miraval. This latest development stems from the heated arguments over that separate business dispute. Jolie's emotional declaration. The core of the recent news is a new court declaration filed by Angelina Jolie, which provides a rare, personal insight into the immediate aftermath of her 2016 separation from Pitt. The emotional toll. Jolie wrote in the court documents that the events leading up to her decision to file for divorce were emotionally difficult for me and our children. This statement underscores the high-stakes, personal trauma that has fueled the entire 8-year legal battle. The sacrifice. She stated that upon filing for divorce, she willingly gave up control and full residency of their family homes in Los Angeles and at Château Miraval, without demanding compensation. The motivation. Jolie explained that this uncompensated concession was made in the hope that it would make him calmer in his dealings with me after a difficult and traumatic period, suggesting her primary goal was to de-escalate the situation and secure peace for her family. The $33,000 demand and legal fee dispute. While the emotional details drew headlines, the current motion is technical and financially focused, revolving around the ongoing Winery lawsuit. The Winery lawsuit. Brad Pitt previously sued Jolie after she sold her stake in the French winery, alleging she violated a prior agreement. In that case, Pitt's legal team demanded access to private communications and emails between Jolie and her legal team, arguing they were necessary for his defense. The motion to compel. Jolie's new motion is a formal response to Pitt's demands. She argues that the communications he seeks are protected by attorney-client privilege and should not be disclosed. The financial demand to support her position and cover the costs of having to fight Pitt's unwarranted legal maneuvers. Jolie demanded that Pitt pay her $33,000 to cover the legal fees associated with preparing and filing this motion to compel. This figure is not related to alimony or the division of major assets, but rather a request to recoup litigation costs. The broader financial and custody picture. This latest motion highlights the complex, interconnected nature of the former couple's disputes, which extend beyond the emotional fallout, the financial strain. Jolie's declaration also touched on the fact that when she separated from Pitt, her personal savings were tied up in Miraval and she had not asked Brad for alimony or any other financial support. She noted that she chose to purchase a property near Pitt's home to ensure he remained an important part of the children's lives, a move that created significant financial pressure at the time. Abuse allegations. The root of the 2016 separation stemmed from a private jet incident in which Jolie alleged Pitt was abusive to her and their children. While the matter was investigated and closed by Child Services without a finding of abuse, Jolie has continued to cite Pitt's alleged behavior and his reported attempt to impose a non-disclosure agreement (NDA) as her reason for selling the winery stake to an outside party. An exhausting battle. Legal sources close to Jolie have repeatedly expressed her exhaustion over the years, noting that she is relieved the main divorce agreement is finalized, but lamenting that the separate winery lawsuit prevents the family from finding the peace and healing they desire. The $33,000 legal fee demand is seen as a tactical move to push back against Pitt's continued litigation.